Welcome back to the Amenify YouTube channel. Today, we're sharing some essential seasonal home care tips to keep your home in top shape all year round. Let's dive right in. Spring is the perfect time for a thorough cleaning. Focus on decluttering, dusting, and washing windows to let in more light. Don't forget to check your gutters and downspouts for any debris. Summer brings warmer weather, making it ideal for outdoor maintenance. Inspect your roof for any damage, clean your air conditioning units, and ensure your lawn and garden are well watered and trimmed. As fall approaches, prepare your home for cooler temperatures. Clean out your gutters again, rake leaves, and inspect your heating system. It's also a good time to check for drafts around windows and doors. Winter requires special attention to prevent cold weather damage. Insulate pipes to avoid freezing, keep your driveway clear of snow and ice, and ensure your heating system is functioning efficiently. Regular maintenance of your home's exterior is crucial. Check for any cracks in the foundation, clean and repair siding, and ensure your home's paint is in good condition to protect against the elements. Don't forget about indoor maintenance. Regularly test smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, replace filters in your HVAC system, and inspect your plumbing for any leaks or issues that need fixing. By following these seasonal home care tips, you can keep your home in excellent condition year-round. Regular maintenance not only enhances your living environment, but also helps prevent costly repairs in the future.